Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Rahmat Pratama and I'm from VBIB. The title is Verbal and Non-Verbal Communication Insight from EFL Classroom Interaction. The author is Muhammad Hollandia, Dian Erlina, Leni Marzulina, Herizal, Hikmah Zalifa Putri, and Paras Junior. The purpose of the study: to investigate the types and function of verbal and non-verbal communication used by an English teacher in an EFL classroom and how they support student language development. The design of the study: explain and describe the process of the design. The study used the qualitative case study design that were collected through classroom observation and semi-structured interviews with the teacher. The utterance and non-verbal behavior were recorded, transcribed, and analyzed using thematic analysis to identify types and functions of verbal and non-verbal communication. Location and participant of the study: explain the process of selecting the participant. The study was conducted at SMA YPI Tunas Bangsa Palembang. Participants included one English teacher and student from an English class, selected through purposing sampling. Data collections: describe the process in collecting the data. Data were collected through classroom observation, video and photo recordings, and semi-structured interview with the teachers. 16 interview questions were used to explore the teacher use of verbal and non-verbal communication. Data analysis: describe the process in analyzing the data. Data were analyzed using thematic using analyzing by transcribing recorded data, coding, grouping teams, and interpreting the findings, which were categorized into types and functions of verbal and non-verbal communication. Major findings: describe the major findings regarding aims and problems of the study. Two types of verbal communication were used: oral, presentation, conversation, and written, notes, textbooks, models, and worksheets. Several types of nonverbal communication were identified. Facial expression, body language, gesture, eye contact, and a presence. The function included clarifying material, engaging understanding, signaling emotions, maintaining classroom control, motivating students, and increasing focus. Connection with relevant students: find one or more relevant students with the findings regarding to the teacher. The finding aligned with the King 2020s, marked at L 2012, and Nuraini and Isnaini 2020s, which show that verbal and non-verbal communication are essential, improving student engagement, comprehension, and motivation similar to previous students. Nonverbal cues, smile, gesture, eye contact significantly support classroom management and learning effectiveness.